anyway, we're down in Bellingham right now, and we are just off on a little adventure. It's a Saturday. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. When this comes out, it's probably going to be August, maybe. So that tells you how far behind you are in videos. Eventually, I might get to the point that I'm doing 2 videos a week, so I can keep it a little bit more current. But we'll play that by ear. Maybe going into next year, we'll start doing 2. We'll see. But right now, we're just keeping it at 1. And then at the end of the year, we'll just do 2 every week for 3 months, like we normally do, to get caught up. But anyway, we're just off on a little adventure. Let's see where it takes us. Well, let's go. I have no idea where we're going. We'll just kind of wander. There's a trail here, so let's take that one. See where it goes. See the truck in the background there? It stands out a little. Kind of funny. Let's see where this goes. This is no smoking, so put your cigarette out, Kaden. So we're actually in Washington State, just in Bellingham, and it's a lot like BC, but we figured we'd boot across the line and have some fun. Things like that back there are pretty awesome. Things pre-pandemic that I wouldn't really have cared about. I wouldn't have gone out of my way to see. This is pretty amazing. Can't remember the name of this falls. I'll find out though. There's another little one up here. Let's check it out. That's how you do it. We should have brought our swimsuits. But yeah, just jump in. Why not? That is why we adventure. That, to me, it just makes my heart start going and just makes me just want to get out and do more. And that is the adventure. That is the adrenaline. That is the rush. And doing things like that, that is where it's at. Yes, I want to slide down it. Wouldn't you? It's just calling your name. It's there. It's like a big water slide. But they put these gates up so people can't. Well, you could climb on the other side of it, but that gate at the bottom would hurt.
He's having an argument with his child, saying, who's the boss? Daddy's the boss. You're not the boss. And I'm sitting there kind of chuckling. It's just like, little do you know, you're not the boss. But anyway, it's kind of funny.
So ask Kaden, where do you want to go?
Home.
Why?
I'm hot.
Oh my goodness. You got water.
Okay.
Tasha, what do you want to do? You want more adventure?
I want to go on an adventure.
You want more adventure? Yes, no? Maybe so? So that is Whatcom Falls. And that is Bellingham, just outside of Bellingham, but I would still say it's Bellingham area. If I can zoom out. But anyway, yeah. It's just somewhere very close for us. And beautiful little falls. And another little set of falls just up the way. Good little swimming area, which we should have brought shorts. I mean, I would have just dove in like this, but I got no towel, so. And I forgot my Speedo. So. Adventures don't need to be long. Adventures don't need to be short. Adventures can be whatever you make them. This adventure itself wasn't very long. It probably took us longer to drive there than the adventure itself. But sometimes just driving and seeing what's around you. What is this?
You want to go? It's it's a park. No.
Oh, it's a graveyard.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. Pretty. I guess that's a good resting area.
Yeah, people are dying to get in. What?
Bayview Cemetery. Okay. I thought it was like a park. I'm like, oh, that's pretty. Very beautiful area. But yeah, your adventures can be whatever you make them. And for us, whether we're overlanding, whether we're adventuring, whether we're traveling, we make the best of it. And that is all you can do. You know, your adventures, you're gonna have issues. You're gonna have issues with your overlanding. You're gonna have issues with your travel. But sometimes you just need to make the best of it. And today has been a beautiful day. It's 78 right now, and it's just getting hotter. So figured we may as well get an adventure in the morning while it's still cool. It's supposed to get up to like 80, 90 today, so we're good. So now we go home and clean the garage.